Can you actually create a drone shot without having a drone? Yes. And this is going to be a part one of me showing you how to actually create a drone shot without having a drone. In this first tutorial, I'll show you how to just use pictures and CapCut. As you can see here, I have this picture and this other one, and I turned this into this particular video you're seeing right here. This is very simple. Just go to Google, put your address. Luckily for me, I was actually able to actually find like a drone shot of the area. So I got this and this, you can see them right here. So I just picked two because the video I wanted was just pretty short. But let's say you wanted something longer. Just pick as many images as you want. Get the images on your local PC. Once that is done, come to CapCut. And this is actually where the magic happens. You come here under CapCut to AI Media. And under AI Media, you go to AI Video and use this option called multi-frames. This is actually what gives you the opportunity to actually get that drone shot because you stitch multiple images together. So what do you need to do? You just click and add the images, maybe two, maybe three. I only use two here because also it requires credit, so it's actually not free. So let me just show you right now. I'm going to bring in this first image right here. I'm going to start with here, this one, import. So the thing is, even though I have the images here, you can't actually bring in the images from this place. You have to actually come to AI Media directly and actually click on this plus sign. So you can't even just drag and bring it in. That doesn't work. Then I'm going to bring in the second image I want. This one right here. And that's it. You don't have to tell it anything. You can see the total second is 3 seconds. If I want it to be 10 seconds or whatever, I can add like more images. But for me, 3 seconds is good because I just need it for just a part. And with this, I was actually able to charge my clients more money. So that's the most important thing because something as simple as this can actually just make you charge like an extra $50, an extra $100, depending on how simple it is or how complex it is. So yeah, you choose the resolution 720 or 480. You can see here the credits are going to take is 123 credits out of 1,200 I have left. And once you click generate, you just get this video right here. You can see it's going to have this AI watermark on it, but it doesn't matter anyways. You're good to go. And that's how simple it is to actually get this done. And like I said, this is part one. In the next video, I will actually show you how to use Google Earth. And this is actually where the magic begins. You can see right here, I'm going to show you how to actually get this done for absolutely free. Because that one, I'll show you how to actually use CapCut and pictures. But this one, you don't need pictures. So watch out for that next video. It's so amazing how to get things like this done.